In this video, we will show you how to make Windows 11 USB bootable for hardware PCs or laptops that not support on the TPM or not support on secure boot mode. First, you can download the ISO files in the Microsoft sites, or you can just click link on the description for both of these. Then you need to download the Rufus. This software is to make bootable USB for Windows 11. Just click portable if you want to portable, but if you will installer, just click this. After you download, just open and prepare USB for minimum 8 GB. In here I have 16 GB approximately, and select the ISO files that you download. In here we will find, and this is my Windows 11. It's original ISO files from Microsoft, and this is GPT. Of course, you can also select MBR if your hardware is not support for GPT partition. In here you can see here, this is standard for GPM with secure boot, but we can select extended Windows 11 installation, no TPM or no secure boots. This is the most important in here. Then we just click start to make this USB-S bootable for Windows 11. Okay, this is just the most important in this tutorial. In image option, just select extended Windows 11 installation, no TPM or no secure boot. Wait until this all done, and after that you can install Windows 11 on any PC or laptop without TPM or secure boot. Hope this video helpful for you.